Hey y'all, Nicole Burgess here with Perfect Keto's new bar flavor, peanut butter chocolate chip. Do we really need to say more?
It's like the two favorite things you can possibly put in a bar. And not to mention 13 grams of protein per bar.
What I appreciate most is that it is sweetened with allulose. They have changed the formulation and I am here for it. And this one is oh so good.
These ones are sweetened with allulose and monk fruit. So that provides for the most delicious and satisfying taste and texture of any keto bar I've ever had.
It is loaded with actual peanuts in the bar. Chocolate chips galore, and the peanut butter flavor will knock you out.
You cannot beat this taste. Seriously, look at that bar. Such a rich peanut butter flavor, the crunch of the peanut, and the sweetness of the chocolate chip. Party in my mouth. You've got to try it.
It is so good. Clean ingredients, sweetened with allulose, only 3 net carbs for a bar. What do you have to lose? Definitely check out this new flavor. It is absolutely amazing.